Hi my lovely viewers, this is Allow IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to remove permission, allow Firefox to automatically trust third-party root certificates in Mozilla Firefox. So for this case we will go to the Mozilla Firefox where I have been in my taskbar. So click here and go to the three bar icons. I have clicked and go to the settings. See, we will reach it easily. So now we will press the privacy and security press and I scroll and go to the below side. See here the certificates and here this. Allow Firefox to automatically trust third-party root certificates that you install. So I want to unmark this thing. In this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.